Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan and today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the air filters for a Ferrari 360. This is really easy. Sometimes people are a little intimidated to work on a car such as this one, but I promise you it is super easy and is going to save you a fortune over the lifetime of the vehicle if you change these air filters yourself. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So I'm going to show you how to replace one air filter. Both boxes are exactly the same, so just do the same things we do for this one as this one over here. And what we're going to do is take a standard screwdriver with a decent width to it and remove these 4 screws that hold the air box together. Now what we can do is reach right up here where these clasps are and just flick them open and off the intake tube. Grab the intake tube and separate it from the top of the air box and lift this guy straight up and out. Now we can remove the air filter element. It should just come straight out. And you might look at this and think, oh, that doesn't look too dirty, but if you look down inside the furrows, it is actually pretty dirty. And on high performance vehicles like this, they're very sensitive to things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this swapped out. Before we fetch our new air filter, what I like to do is just grab a nice clean microfiber, and if it's really bad, some cleaner, and just clean the inside of the air box, because you already have it out, and look, all the ickies have already gotten out of there, and we don't want that getting on our new air filter anyway. Just clean it best you can. Here is our new air cleaner in its box. There is our part number. I will do my best to leave a link down below in the description for you. We'll just take that out of our box. See, that's exactly the same as our old one. And we can just place that in. It's obviously just a regular rectangle, so just line it up and push it fully down like that. Yeah. Now I can grab our top of our intake box, insert it into our intake tube. I'm not going to latch that just yet. And then we can set it back down, kind of where it wants to go. And then we can grab our standard screws and just start them with your fingers. You can even push down on the air box to make that a little easier for you. I've really found it helpful to push down on the top of the air box to get the screws in because the filter is kind of fighting you a little bit. And once I've gotten them all started, what I'm going to do is reach up here, make sure the clasps are behind the ears of the intake tube, and pull them back together just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my standard screwdriver again and just snug these down. No real torque spec for you, just, you know, wrist tight was probably good. And you go in an X pattern too. You don't want to like go from one side to the other, you want to go across in an X pattern. And again, just feel it out. Does it feel tight? Stop. You don't want to stretch, you don't want to strip these or damage them or anything like that. There you go, feels awesome. So go ahead and do the same thing as well for this air box, and both of your air filters will be clean and replaced. So that's how to change your air filters for a Ferrari 360. Really simple. You only need the one tool, and the air filters are available on Amazon. If you found this video helpful or interesting at all, please consider giving a like or even subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.